So here we have the Vauxhall Mokka 1.4 Turbo X on a 66 plate, and we'll show you around the outside of the car first of all, and then we'll hop in and run through a few controls on the inside. As you'll see from the outside, it's a 5-door car with alloy wheels. We'll start off inside the boot and then work our way around the rest of the car from there. So you'll see as we approach the boot that we've got reversing sensors, plenty of boot space, along with that 60/40 split folding rear seats as well. So we're just going to work our way back round to the front of the car now before I hop in and run through a few controls. But now that I've done a full circle of the car, you can see it's in fantastic condition the whole way round. Just before I climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. As you can see, the seats are in fantastic condition. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that now. Okay, so we're going to start with the dials. On the left hand side we've got the rev counter, and on the right hand side the speedometer. In the middle you'll see the digital readout for the speedometer. That's part of the trip computer. You can change the information you see up there using buttons on the indicator stalk, and at the bottom of that section you'll see the total miles on this car are 6,645. Above that section you've got the fuel gauge and oil temperature gauges. If we back out to the steering wheel, on the right hand side we've got stereo controls as well as voice activation for the phone, and on the left hand side we've got both cruise control and speed limiter as well. The main display for the car is all touchscreen over in the centre here, so let me explain some of the things that it does. So we got audio first of all, which is where we can set up the radio and any other way we listen to music. So with regards to the radio, this car has got DAB digital radio, AM and FM as well. When I select media, nothing will come up because we've not connected anything, but we can stream music wirelessly via Bluetooth once you pair your phone, and we can also connect to a device via USB as well. So a couple of ways to listen to music on top of the usual kind of radio stations and what have you. If we press the home button here, it takes us back to the main menu. That's where we would pair our phone, but this car has also got satellite navigation as well, which is fantastic and very, very easy to use. Working our way down, we've got the dual zone climate control, so we can adjust the temperature on the left and right hand sides of the car. Hit that button to turn the air conditioning on, or hit that button in the middle to have it on auto, and the car will maintain the temperatures that you've asked it to maintain, if you like, or the temperatures you've preset on there. Up here as well, you've got a button to turn off the front parking sensors, and this button down in the corner will turn off the car's stop and start system. So the car's designed to cut out in traffic to save you fuel. If you don't want it to do that, or you don't like that system, press that button and it will turn it off. You've also got traction control, which you can turn off, and your hazard warning lights just there. And then we have a 6-speed manual gearbox. And if we push that section up, underneath there you'll see we've got the USB and a 12-volt charging socket. In fact, if I move the camera down, you'll see USB, auxiliary socket, and the 12-volt charging socket as well. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car in person and have a test drive, feel free to give any of our MJA sites a call. We'd love to hear from you soon.